Warning, the following program contains stunts performed by professional degenerates. Viewer discretion is advised.
Ow, what the
This is MTV Loving My Yo guys, you ever get that late night text talking about, hey, you up? Well, I just got one. Yes, I am up. What's going on? What you got going on over here? You got Suburban, dead battery, the rabbits on 3 wheels. What's going on? What's going on, Smalls?
Dude, this thing don't go into reverse still. Well, actually,
It did go into reverse. Last time I seen the car, it worked perfectly fine. He drives it 2 days and this is what happens.
Yeah. But you know, hey, you gotta make things nice first. Actually, I lied. This thing hates me. I try to do something nice for it, then it bitches and moans and breaks.
Damn. So we got another problem with the transmission linkage when he changed out the weather boot.
Okay guys, now we're back onto the Rabbit because we're gonna replace the shift linkage weather boot on this because the old one was pretty fucked up. So basically what you gotta do is disconnect the rod from here, from this spot, and splined in. It travels through here all the way to the shift linkage. Took it off, cleaned it up a bit, and put the new boot on. It's pretty sweet. The splines were on there pretty tight, so we had to tap it out with a hammer, but now we're gonna put some white lithium grease on the ends and then slap it back in. All right, well, we got it installed with the heat shield on there. This hole is pretty convenient to get access to the bolt and nut that holds that together. It's pretty gross up here, but I got a new one of these little ball thingy shifters. What's this shit called?
shifter ball?
Shifter balls. All right, we got some shifty balls going on. We're gonna replace that later, but it's all in now. Now it's gotta lube this up and make sure all the gears are in the right spot.
Alright, so we got first for sure. First, oh wait, maybe not even first. First, second. Not sure if that's third. Not sure if that's fourth. So we're gonna rack it back up and see if we actually got them in the gears.
So our issue was that we didn't indicate on this connector piece and the rod where it lined up. So now when we shift, we definitely have first and second, but not third or fourth. So what we're gonna do is unbolt this, disconnect it, and then I guess try to shift it and see where it goes, or definitely get it in third or fourth and then reattach it. Okay, reverse, got it. First. Oh, my bad. It's out, okay. Second. Yeah.
There we go. Third.
Okay. Fourth. That's fourth right there?
Yeah.
Okay, 1 sec. I'm gonna... All right, hold it in fourth.
Yep.
Okay, cool. So, oops. Gonna try to... Oh, I lost the nut. Oh, no, the nut's in here. Oh, damn. This ain't working with just one hand. Oh, wait, or is it? Oh, there we go. All right. All right, had to put the camera down real quick. I don't got enough arms for this. Okay, let's try this again. Go. Is that all you can move?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Reverse.
You don't have reverse or first?
Oh, and second.
You don't have second either?
No.
Oh shit, okay. Alright, back to the drawing board. Go again? Yeah, so basically the tensioner for the rod needs to be kind of like not super tight because they actually rotate a little bit.
Oh.
Yeah,
Okay.
so it just needs to be tight enough to hold it, but then it twists, which is kind of weird.
But it doesn't slide out.
It doesn't slide out, yeah. So but when I tightened it down all the way, that's when we couldn't get into third or fourth at all. So I had to like back it off. I need to see if in the book it has like a...
Is it tight enough?
I mean, it's not going nowhere.
Okay.
So, I mean, I guess I'll look it up in the book and see if there's a torque spec, and then when I replace that, try to get it or something.
But now it's shifting on all the gears now.
All right, cool. Well, we'll just leave it like that. It's in, it's shifting. Had to clean the rest of this up. Hopefully we don't die.
Now it won't shift into reverse, and that's usually a problem. Let's see if we can get you guys a better look. Here, give the people a better look.
What do you mean give them...
Give them a better look.
Hey man, I can't even see shit.
Oh my god.
You heard of 3 blind mice? I'm all 3 right now.
Damn. Can't even hold a phone. But yet he calls himself a mechanic. Useless. Bro, you over here blinding. Alright, got the shifter linkage put back together. Let's see if she goes into reverse now. Aw, hell yeah, we got reverse. Yeah, I think we're good to go. After riding around the entire city, we finally found it. Oh no! RP the weather boat.